So I've been thinking about Australia and thinking about how we could kind of get maybe an idea how wide it is, coast to coast, if we use some sun time settings. And my idea would be to start on the east, and when the sun crosses you here at noon, you would select a timer, on some kind of a central database that would hold a time. And then, at the end of the day, when it's your end of day, and this guy over here on the west coast is having the sun right above him, he could hit the stop on the timer. And we would see how far the sun traveled, We could compare that with potential other known distances, across the bottom of South Africa. If we could manage to get somebody in this location, and then again over here, 1,300 miles away, we could compare that time and just to see if it's consistent with what they're telling us. And of course, 6 months later, we come up to the northern hemisphere and we could do our same kind of a test. If we were to start in Taiwan at noon and then wait until the sun is over India here somewhere, and I found a place, it was called Tropic of Cancer Selfie Station or something in that, and it was over here in India, and you could note when the sun was right above you then, and compare the times. We could potentially put people at very many places along the Tropic of Cancer, many places along the Tropic of Capricorn, and note when the sun is above them for that one day of the year during the solstice. Or equinox, I guess it would be. And we could compare those times, and we could see if what we potentially knew was a good known distance in North America compared to what we've determined was done by the sun in South America. Now, we do expect the sun to speed up a bit if we're not on a globe, if we're on a flat plane. Would that tell us anything? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, it might not tell us if we're on a flat plane or a globe, but it might tell us if the distance they tell us across Australia is accurate or not. So it'd be interesting to see anyway. If anybody had any ideas how we could organize this, that would be super. Let's talk about it. Thanks.